Well, hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this cooking pot. So I'm excited. We're going to do some eggs this morning. I'm very hungry. So let's get started, my friends. So of course, we got to show you guys how it comes packaged. So everything is nice and protected by this thick, heavy-duty foam. And it comes nice and wrapped and protected. So they give you the handle as well. It's very simple to put on. I'll show you guys. They give you a screw, a washer, and this is your plug. Just a standard plug. I do want to point out, guys, that I actually have another type style over here from the same brand. We've been using this for a while now, and we absolutely love this. This gets used almost every day. So I'm expecting this one to perform great as well. Alright guys, so it's actually very simple for putting this on. Drop down the rubber piece in here. And then what you do is you take the screw from underneath and you put this on top and you thread it on. Don't over tight it. You don't want to crack the glass. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you that the washer goes on the screw side. So you put the rubber piece in and then you put the screw in. That protects it from breaking the glass and threading through the glass. Make sure you wash everything first, okay? So everything must be washed first. That's my personal opinion. So guys, these are some accessories that you get. Spoon, oven mitts, or heating mitts. You get a manual, and this is it. Again, wash everything. So this is your actual pan. So you just lift it up, and this is your heating pad. It's the same as our other one. We have 2 to go, so when we have events that we can make multiple food and take it to different events instead of waiting to do one by one, so we can heat at the same time. So again, I'm very pleased with the other one. I know this one's going to perform good. They also have accessories. So we're going to make eggs this morning in our pans. Show you guys what it looks like. And just, to demonstrate that they actually really work. So yeah, they're deep. You put your food in here. Easy to clean. Once your food's in here and it's heated up, you lift it off and you don't put anything in there. So I saw someone make the mistake of putting stuff in here. Don't put stuff in here, please. You're going to ruin your grill, so don't do that. So guys, once in, it works like this. You turn it. You got 5 different heating levels. You can start. Now this is warm through there, and then you have your different levels. You'll see it lights up orange. Make sure this is in the whole way before you turn this on. When you're done, make sure you turn it off the whole way and then unplug it. Always turn it down the whole way and then unplug it. Alright guys, so to do eggs, we're going to set it on 1 and we're just going to watch it. You could set it higher if you wanted to, but it's, personal preference, how slow or how fast you want it to heat up. Check out the listing for more information because they have so many different accessory stuff. So you have different trays like this tray here. This tray. You guys can do so much with this, and I've seen people do cookies with this. I've seen them do so much with this, guys. And now we play the weight game. So guys, just like that, it's very simple, very easy to use. Absolutely love it, guys. Absolutely love it. So I wanted to use this as an example just to show you how easy it is to clean up. So you just scrape along. And very easy to clean up, guys, just like that.